So over here you can see that the form looks a certain way right now. And if I want to go ahead and change around the entire theme of it, then all I need to do is go around onto the form designer and then go to the theme section. Once you go ahead over there, you can see that there's different themes that you can actually go ahead and select. So let's just go ahead and click on this one. Let's say, for example, click on use theme, and that theme is applied. You can see that this theme is quite colorful right here. Similarly, you can go ahead and select out other theme as you like as well, and that is what you have. So you can see that that particular theme is applied now. So let's just go around over here and let's say, for example, search for some theme. So let's say, for example, if I were to go ahead and type in desk, then you can see that I get desk related themes. So you can go ahead and select out that particular theme and that will be applied right here, just like this. So over here, if I were to go to filter, you can see that I can go ahead right here and see featured theme right here as well. And you can go ahead and then use them out as well. Apart from that, you can also go for favorited themes. So if you have saved out some themes to favorite, then it'll show up right there. And if you have any of your themes, it'll show up right there as well. So this is how you can go ahead and then apply themes. And if you were to click on the three dot button, you can use the theme, set this as the default theme. So whenever you create a new form, that particular theme will be applied. And you can add it to the favorite as well. You can even add them to the favorite by clicking on the star button that appears in the theme. So if I were to go to filters now and then go to favorite themes, then you'll be able to see your themes right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and change out the form theme as needed inside of Jotform. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.